Firstly, prepare the solar panels, commonly known as photovoltaic solar panels, and 10 kilowatts power is basically sufficient for household use. Solar photovoltaic panel junction box, combiner box, commonly known as AC-DC junction box. The solar controllers has two control modes, PWM/MPPT, which users can choose according to their needs. 3-in-1 off-grid inverter, it's an integrated machine, and we also have split-type inverter. This video shows the installation of a 3-in-1 off-grid inverter. Firstly, install the photovoltaic panels on the roof and connect the wires to the junction box. The solar photovoltaic panels need to be connected to the grounding protectors. Install and hang the solar controller properly. Connect the PV input wires to the junction box and connect it to the lower end of the switch that has connected the photovoltaic panels. Connect the battery connection wires of the solar controller to the junction box and connect it to the upper end of the output switch. Connect the battery cabinet connection wires to the lower end of the output switch of the junction box. Connect the solar controller DC output wires to the inverter DC input end. After connecting the wires, check if each wire is normal. Turn on all switches for power on testing.